Hello again, everybody. I thought that I would come on here and show you my messy, rather messy, chest of drawers, wardrobe, and actually we'll start out here. Now, I haven't tidied up beforehand. This is how they are. This small chest here, that one. So in that drawer, all to the top of mostly unworn, unpacked stuff that I ordered when I was in hospital, really, because I was fed up and I was ordering from Amazon. So all of that is new stuff that I've got to sort out, unpack, etc. And then come in here, and this cupboard I had an empty drawer a couple of weeks ago, 2 empty drawers in fact, and I filled them back up again. So in the top one, it's a notebook, bras, knickers, underwear. In the second one, I've got sweaters mostly and tops. Third one, blouses and t-shirts, a couple of cardigans. This is before I tidied them and sort them out. And then the wardrobe. Oh, you can see me in my nightie. It's about 10 o'clock. Share out the way. So in here, top shelf's empty. Middle shelf has got 2 dressing gowns, cardigan, trousers, a couple of jumpers. That one I know is all nightwear. The bottom one, a couple of things I wear around the house, a couple of dresses, blouses, etc. And then we come to this mess. I'm frightened to show you. Look. Grandma, a very special and wonderful lady, always there to listen and help. It's from my granddaughter Grace. So right, here's the mess. No rhyme or reason to it. It's all got to be sorted out. And in addition to this, I've got, oh, it's off the dress. In addition to this, I've got 2 wardrobes upstairs and another 2 chests of drawers with stuff in. It's just that things that I haven't worn for a while, doesn't mean to say I'm not going to wear them again, and I just hate throwing things out. I really do. Don't know. I'm going to have to get sorted though. And then I'm being very brave showing you all this when I haven't tidied up or anything. Here. Oh, there are the bank statements and nail drawers. Just bits of junk really. And then over here, don't have much. Top drawer, I've got a book, I've got ribbon, I've got my watch. Second drawer, just phone chargers. In this drawer, I've got paracetamol, antihistamines, my glasses, manicure set, bits and pieces. Second drawer, baby wipes and heat pads for my back. Third drawer, my stuff, odds and ends. And then come over here. Oh, I'll show you these. I got that. I've got two for me from Amazon, and they weren't very expensive, and it's just to keep your jewellery and bits and pieces in. And my good jewellery is locked away in a safe that my kids have got, but you know, my trinkets and bits and pieces can go in there. And I bought one for my daughter and one for my granddaughter. Now in here, that's Alfie's angel. I'm looking after it. In here, I've got, just handkerchiefs, paracetamol, Amazon gift card, and then in this one, I've got nothing. So, is it a mess? Is it a mess? What do I get rid of? I want to aim to have an empty drawer in each chest, and to deforest some of this. And I've got that one empty, so I want to get another one empty, which that won't be too difficult. And I'm going to get a new wardrobe for this room anyway, so this one will go upstairs. And I don't know how I accumulate so much stuff. Just don't. Oh, and this is another little thing I bought off Amazon. It's like a Fabergé egg. And as it opens, it does open. I think it does open somehow. But anyway, they've got them all colours. They've got them orange and red and blue. And I just think they're really pretty. It might be something to collect. Have a small shelf on the wall. And look at the crown on the top. And they're quite nice, aren't they? In my bedroom. Anyway, that was the tour of my messy cupboards. You're going to see big changes, I tell you. Okay, I'm going to make a drink and I'm going to hop into bed with my book. Good night, everybody. God bless.